Hi there, my name is Molly and this is my channel where we do sewing, crafts, and fun. I had a reel that I posted last week do really well with these little crochet pickles in it. And I've got a bunch of these pickles that I've been saving for if I wanted to do like a crochet market. But since I broke my wrist, oh my goodness, I have not been crocheting like enough to get stock ready together for a market. I thought maybe we could open up like an Etsy shop and see if we could get some of these little guys sent to new homes from there. And I also have a couple of other things that I want to put in that shop. I'm a little bit like apprehensive about Etsy because I have heard that their fees can be kind of high, but I figured it was something we could do, have like a little yarny vlog together. I also have some scrunchies, crocheted scrunchies, like blue. I've been using these way to use up smaller balls of yarn, and it's really great for like getting my stash cleared out. One of my big goals right now is to clear out my yarn stash and just make sure I'm like actually using what I have. That being said, I did buy myself a bunch of yarn for Black Friday, and I will show that to you later. Oh, and then I also have this big pickle who I love. He's very cute. Here, I'll show you. This is a standard size pickle and this is Big Pickle. And they are friends. There is no animosity towards each other here, but yeah, I thought maybe we could post him as well. See if he finds a little place to be. I have some tea and some time before the next dog walk I need to take. So let's start by taking some pictures of these little guys and see what we can put together. I pulled back the carpet to like give more space of the white clean floor, and then it flipped back over and it looks like they're all tucked in now. Snug as a bug in a rug. Looks like we're getting a little low on battery, so I'm gonna go in and change that. We've got pictures taken of everything. Now I just need to work a bit on the site itself. I had an Etsy way back in the day and I want to change the name so it just reflects my other usernames. I want to look into how to do these postings because it's been a minute, so we'll see what we can put together. I finally finished posting everything on my Etsy. That took forever. I took a break. It is dark outside now and we went and walked the dogs again, but the issue I kept running into was I updated my iPhone and now I guess they're only doing photos in HEIC format instead of like JPEGs or PNGs, which is a bit of a pain. Etsy didn't want to take those kinds of photos, so I had to convert everything and it just took me a load of time. I have two more things I want to work on tonight. I really would like to get some work done on a birthday present for my mom. She loves frogs and I would love to crochet her a frog. Get started on that. And then I also want to show you the yarn I got. So maybe let's do that. Let me see what I can pull together. Okay, so today is Sunday after Thanksgiving. Yesterday, Saturday, Kyle took me to Joann's and Michael's so that we could look around there. He wanted to look at drawing stuff and I wanted to look at yarn. But I was not really impressed with the sale at Michael's, mostly just because they didn't really have colors that I wanted. I did find the colors I wanted at Joann's, but I'm not really sure which one was a better deal because I'm not great at math. So Michael's had this thing where it was you buy 2 skeins of yarn at regular price and then you get the next one for free, which seems really good. But if they don't have what you want, there's no point in buying it. And Joann's was 30% off all yarn, and then a couple of items were like doorbusters that were 70 or 75% off. I can't remember. If you're good at math, tell me if I got a good deal or if I didn't in the comments down below. I'm very curious. I didn't say earlier when I last chatted to you, but the Etsy shop is now live. So if you want to get yourself a pickle or a scrunchie, check in the description below. It'll be there for you. Let's get started on the yarn haul. I got a bunch of these Bernat blanket yarns. I really want to try making loaf cats and chickens with these. I've seen a lot of people using the Bernat blanket for amigurumi, and I thought I'd treat myself and get a bunch of sort of like natural fur looking ones. So I got this. This is called Typewriter. That's such a cute color. It's speckled. I got a plain black. Thought that could be good for a bunch of different things. This is from the Tweeds line. I thought this was speckled, but no, it's from the Tweeds, and it's called Sandy Tweed. That's a good name. I feel like a cat made out of this would be really, really cute. Last one, just a plain white. This one's called Vintage White. I know they have a different white as well. Here, I got this from the thrift store a while ago. This one is just white, so blanket white, regular white. They look pretty similar to me. I guess this one's more cool toned. So we're gonna make a bunch of cats with that. I didn't show you, I did make another loaf cat. Let me grab it for you. There he is. There he is. He's just made out of regular acrylic yarn, and I really want to do more with the yarn I have, which is mostly all just the regular acrylic, and then also do some more in the big old blanket. So we'll have some little cats and some big cats, and I think it'll be really cute. I was thinking about putting him up for sale, but I want to hang on to him a little bit longer. Maybe I'll keep this one, and then future cats can be up on the Etsy as well. I do really want to have like a market stall, but I think just now having the Etsy will be good to at least get things out there, so I'm not waiting until I can amass enough stock, and then I can just make things as I go. Also, back to our haul, I did get some Red Heart Super Saver. I have not bought Red Heart Super Saver for years because when I was knitting, I didn't want to use this too much for garments. But now that I'm doing a lot of crochet and a lot of amigurumi, I thought that this color was going to be the cutest for pickles. It's nice and bright, and it's called Spring Green, and I just love it. I'm really excited to make some. I'm trying to decide if that frog I make for my mom should be in this nice bright spring green or this wool acrylic blend I have that's kind of a more of a bluey green. Both I think could be cute, so I'm having trouble deciding. The final yarn that I got from Joann's was this Bernat Velvet yarn. I really wanted to make more scrunchies out of this. I really like this color. It's so pretty. It's so soft. Maybe I'll crochet some little plushies with it too. We'll see. Really excited to grab this. This one is called Quiet Pink. I'm really excited to use these, but I don't think I can get them onto my yarn shelf, so they might have to stay in their little bag for now. Just means we have to crochet more. If I have dinner with my mom, I'll just work on more pickles. And if she goes upstairs early, then I will start working on her frog, and I'll show you that. It's a bunch later, and I wanted to show you all the work I had gotten done on that frog for my mom. Here's its little noggin, and it's got eyes. I think it's pretty cute so far. I have to give it a little smile and some blushy blush and make the rest of the body, but I think it's coming along real nicely, and I think she's gonna like it. So I'm just gonna cozy up and work on that for the rest of the night before I go to bed. All right, see you tomorrow.
Good food. Nothing beats a home-cooked meal.
Did everyone keep track of that? Yes. Yeah. Alrighty. So cash that.
Hey there, it's the next day. Quick little update. I wanted to come and show you the frog that I finished for my mom last night. Let me get him out. I love him. Look at this little guy. Ooh, it really does not want to focus. Well, trust me, he's cute. I think I'm gonna tie a little ribbon around his neck. This pattern is by Annie Caraway Art. You can purchase it off her website. I'm gonna put a link for it in the description. Along with links for any other patterns, crochet things we might complete. I have no idea how long this vlog's gonna go. But otherwise, I haven't done a lot today. I had a couple of doctor's appointments for my wrist, and I changed my sheets, which I have not been able to do with my hand, so that was a good step in the right direction. Right now I'm just editing some videos, trying to get some more content ready for you, and I think I'm gonna have a quiet night otherwise. If I crochet anything, I will let you know. Hello, it's time for me to give you a little teensy update. I have been crocheting over the last like 3 days or so, but I just didn't show you because I've been so doggone tired. But let me show you what we have made. We've made these 2 little octopus. They're so cute. This pattern is called Bubbles the Kraken, and it's on Ribbler. Let me check and see who it's by. I've made 3 of these little guys now. And I like this pattern because it's quick and very cute. Bubbles the Kraken by Squeaky Crochet. Super cute name. And then I made another pickle. Look at him, so cute, so cute. I'm really excited because I got my first sale on the Etsy store. I wasn't sure if I was gonna open it until this video came out, but I figured just to publish it, especially because I had multiples of some of my items. So we've sent out our first pickle to its little home yesterday, and that was such a good feeling. I was really excited. Mallory, if you see this, I really hope you enjoy your pickle. Right now, I'm just making another pickle. Today I had like my long day at work. I work in a medical office, so we do have some 10-hour days. And I would love to start making something new, like a new pattern. However, I think for tonight, I just need to shut my brain off and do something that I know. So I think if we finish this one, we might just do another pickle after that. But yeah, that's pretty much my plans for crochet tonight. Tomorrow, I have a lot of stuff going on over the weekend, so I'm not sure how much crochet we'll be doing. I think I started this last weekend, so maybe this is where we'll call the video. Just end our little crochet vlog here. But yeah, let me know what you're working on, and I will put pattern links in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Be brave and do your best. Thanks, bye.